Welcome everybody. Today at Lombardi Studios, our virtual place for interview, market trends, focus on, we have a special guest, Paul Estrada, Business Development and Sales Director of Tecnocut. Welcome, Paul.
Thank you very much, Nicola, for allowing Tecnocut to be the first guest of this Lombardi Studios. It's very important for us and we really appreciate that.
I'm happy too because today it's our first time that we start this new kind of format, a virtual show in which we can discover and know more about industrial realities, and in this day we have Tecnocut. So what kind of reality is Tecnocut?
Well, Tecnocut is a family business. We are the second generation. My father is the owner, and we have almost 30 years of experience. And what we try to bring to the market is to be always keep moving forward with our customers and also with our partners. Our aim is to be at the forefront of our high added solutions that we are bringing to the market. And for us, it's very important just to be here with like a partner or key partner like Lombardi and to be like in a close way to you. So.
Yes, I'm agree. I totally agree because I'm coming from a familiar business, so I understand the importance to bring the brand through different generations. So I think that Lombardi and Tecnocut are similar on this side. How is important today for the market to be a familiar business?
I think it's very important because when you are part of a family, at the end Tecnocut, it's not just a family business related to our surname Estrada, it's also all the people that is working in Tecnocut is from also our family. So right now we are close to 32 people, and just to work as a family, just to keep always trying to make better things, to improve all the things that we are trying to do, not just about our products and solutions, always, also the way that we are trying to do things internally and externally, it means a lot for us. So it's very important for us just to, when we are trying to work or to collaborate with companies like you, I think that our philosophy and our feelings are more or less the same. So it's very easy just to cooperate and to do things together. And for us, it's an important thing.
Yes, and how is the family business in this moment in which the companies are becoming bigger and international? Is difficult, the family business need to adapt to the market, or is a peculiarity for the customer?
It's difficult because when we are talking about the relationships that we have with our customers, with other players in the market, that could be also suppliers, when we're talking about big companies, most of the time relationships are more impersonal. And what we want to still do every time is to make our relationships with all the stakeholders on the market and in a closer way. So we feel and we also work on that. We don't want to be too big and to lose our philosophy and the way that we love to work.
Yes, I believe the same because it's important in our case at Lombardi Converting Machinery to match the peculiarity of a familiar business with the corporate business. And it's important to have to be closer to the customer like a familiar business, but to work with international markets like a corporate business. I believe that the match between these two aspects of the company can be the right way for the future.
Yes, at the end, you must keep like doing things as you start from the beginning, but also you need to adapt because the world is changing like every day. More competitors and more companies are like coming into the ground. So I think that you need to mix everything. So you need to stay from your principles and what you do when you start. At the same time, you have to like always try to make things better, to improve, to be like more professional company and to be at the same level of the big companies.
Yes, interesting. Now, what kind of core business has Tecnocut? What exactly do Tecnocut?
Tecnocut at the beginning, when we start 30 years ago, it was like a commercial company, so we were supplying to our customers all the spare parts that they need just to implement on their machines. And 15 years ago, we started with our own engineering team, and from that point, we grew a lot on that. Right now, I think that most of the company, like 80% of our family in Tecnocut is like engineering people, because we are trying to develop our own solutions that then we can collaborate with companies like you, like Lombardi, in order to make things together and to bring to the market the best solution for them. So right now, Tecnocut is, we could say, that research and development company. We received some financial grants from the European Union through the Spanish government. So we're very happy to still be focused on try to be the best ones on what we are trying to bring to the market. So Nicola, what do you think about the collaboration or collaborations like Lombardi and Tecnocut have?
I believe that today collaboration is one of the important aspects between companies. I like to realize collaboration 360 degrees, from the technological side to the marketing side, for example. And for sure, like Lombardi, like a manufacturer of flexographic printing machine, it's so important for us the top quality of the components, and we fit perfectly with Tecnocut philosophy about this aspect. I believe that collaboration is the key word for the future of this market, because the market is changing every day, every year, and in particular after COVID is changing fast. So what do you think about the future of this market?
Well, the future of this market is, it's something that for me it could be, or it's going to be very, very big. Right now, as the COVID situation, at some point everything has stopped, but I think that right now people needs to go ahead to make a step forward on that. So I think that the future is bright for all of us, and I totally agree about what you said about the collaboration. I think that nowadays companies try to collaborate with other companies and to match everything. If we are very good doing something and there is another company that is very good doing what this company is bringing to the market, if we make like a joint collaboration or joint venture or whatever, it means something that at the end the solution, the machine or the product that we are offering to the market is going to be even better. So I fully agree on focusing on that way for the business.
Yes, the keyword is the win-win strategy. If I win, you win, and the customer wins. So I was so happy to have today our first guest of Lombardi Studio. Thank you, Paul, to be here with us.
Oh, thank you very much. The pleasure is.
And hope to see you soon at La Belle Expo.
Of course, we will be there. Thank you very much.